Hey guys, today I'm going to discuss about how to make $1,000 a month as a passive income. So passive income is our dream. I mean, who doesn't like 9 to 5 jobs? So they definitely want to build their passive income and in different ways. So I'm going to give you the best passive income ideas that you can definitely do in um, 2021. So if you have a big financial goal, then earning an extra 1000 each month can help you reach them faster. And whether you work full time or you are a stay at home mom, extra money is always nice. So it definitely not sure where to get started because we are beginner, and we should find the ways that we can um, optimize for making our passive income. So I am sharing some ideas that and options definitely to help you make 1000 a month, and in turn you give you the opportunity to accelerate your financial goal in the long term. So the first question arises, is it possible to earn an extra $1000 per month? Before we dive in, it's important to realize that it is completely possible to earn $1000 per month, although it will take time and your effort and obviously your patience. So you may be able to bring your first 1000 USD sooner than you think. So once you start bringing in the extra cash, you can set it aside to reach your financial goals, such as building your emergency fund, or maybe just you can go for your next vacation, or maybe you can just put in stock and so on. So it's entirely depends upon your goals. So the ideas are that this is very realistic, and a lot of uh, people they're just doing and making a handsome passive income each month, and they are able to live their life and just retire early and just making extra um, time with their family. So the first when it comes to passive income is freelancing writing. I mean freelance writing. So as we all are familiar, there are a lot of freelance platform nowadays. So here is one of the top freelancing platform, Upwork, and here is the another, Fiverr. So freelance writing can be a lucrative way to um, produce extra income, although the work will likely be low paying at first, and then you can quickly move into higher paying work. Interested in learning more about this opportunity, so you need to have more patience and just keep practicing and make your portfolio, and then you definitely can get your first client on this freelancing platform. The next side gigs you can do virtual assistant. So if you are a fairly organized person, and then you could excel as a virtual assistant. The tasks that are available for virtual assistant range from email management to customer service support, and there are many different tasks that customer will hire a virtual assistants. And these are the platforms that where you can just try. Yeah, maybe you can try Upwork, or maybe you can try Fiverr. The next side gigs I would definitely suggest go for um, online English tutor as a. So if you have a basic I mean fluency with, not you don't have to be a native English speaker. You can be a fluent or maybe a certified English speaker, and then teaching English is really a popular side hustle. So with several companies ready to hire you, and there are many opportunities for you to start tutoring English. So if we look into the some good sites where you can make your side hustle, that is VIP Kit, Q Kids. These are the good place to start your search. So here you can see teach English online on 14 to 22 an hour from the, the comfort of your home. So you definitely need to sign up, and then you can have a better chance to make your 1000 USD. The next side gig, I will say, go for data entry. So data entry can be a tedious work, but many businesses are willing to pay you to tackle their data entry needs. So you will need to be a detail oriented to find opportunities for um, paid data entry. So take care to avoid scams in the industry. There are certain scams in this industry, but if someone asks you to pay for the opportunity to work with them, it's likely a scam. So go for only authentic work, and maybe you can just find identity works on again sites like Upwork or like Fiverr, and you have ample chance that you can get your first work there. So the next side gig, I'd say, go for proofreading. So proofreading is a great opportunity for anyone with a good eye for grammar. Again, you need to have a good understanding of grammar, and you can make around 20 per hour as a proofreader. Although finding your first gig as a proofreader can be a challenge, but after some time, once you find and get one or two, you will deliver one or two uh, pro- project to your client, then definitely you will have more opportunity to get more work. And you can go for sites like proofread for that. So this is a great site to start. You need to sign up and then just look for work. And the next side gigs, I would definitely suggest go for blogging. Yeah, again, the blogging is one of the top most side hustle, still works in 2021. And when it comes to blogging, we know that WordPress, we can definitely work as a platform, and there are many other platform as well like Medium and so on. So I'd suggest go for WordPress and create your own blog, own and unique blog. You have to be stand out from the crowd. So make your unique blog based on niches, and then if you then start a blog, may not be a good fit at the beginning, but it is possible to bring like 1000 easily. So definitely go for specific niches like nutrition, or uh, like based on your I'd say based on your choice, based on your based on you who I mean based on what you think would be the best for you, and then you can definitely monetize your blog and make 1000. Not just monetize, you can get affiliates and so on. So you can definitely make $1000 per month. And then the next side gigs, I'd say, go for social media manager. So social media has become a critical to businesses. With that, many are willing to hire an expert social media manager to handle their social media presence. If you can definitely manage a social media presence for a business like Facebook, their Instagram, their Pinterest, their different social channels, they will pay you a handsome amount. So maybe you can work with two businesses at the beginning to make 1000 uh, per month, and it's very easy. You can definitely if you are not familiar with how to work as a social media manager with different platform, you can definitely look into YouTube or go to some blogs out there, and you can learn and make your first 1000 per month. The next gig I'd say go for resume writer. So as a good resume can help someone land a job they need, whether someone is a new graduate or a session expert. Most need help crafting the perfect resume. So with that you can help them create a resume that helps them land a job, and you could earn hundreds of dollars per resume, and you can make your first 1000 um, dollar per month. The next gig I'd say graphic designer. So graphic designer is something that requires a combination of skills and creativity. So not everyone has that combination, but still if you do, business owners will be happy to pay you for help. And with the right skill and experience you could charge around 75 dollars per hour for your service. So but if you take some of time building your portfolio before you command such a high rate, so that would be great. So I suggest go for your portfolio first, and then you can surely go for your clients and make your first thousand. The next gig I'd say as a website designer. So it's your website is a critical component for most businesses today. So there are variety of websites out there, and every business is going for digital and they need a website. So with that, many are willing to hire a web designer and to help them create a website that stands out. Although it can take some time to build the skill needed to design a website, you could find big payoffs for your efforts. Similar to graphic design, sites like Fiverr, Upwork are great places to get your starting gigs. The next gig, I'd say, go for online store owner. So what does it mean? The classic way to earn money is to sell something. Although you may not have the resources to get a product into physical stores, so you can absolutely sell things online. So you could started with Etsy, eBay, Amazon to create a lucrative online shopping. Shop today. The next gig, I would say go for uh, sell printables. So what I mean by that, printables are one of the example of something that you can sell online. Typically, you will online have to create a printable one time, and then you can watch some what passive income role in your life, and is a great place to get ideas and start your printables. And this a way you can make your 1000. Also there are another part, so I'd say the next gig you can go for sell an online course. So online course can be a great way to educate you on a particular subject, the one you are most knowledgeable, you have experience, you can definitely sell that course. The next gig I'd say go for transcribing work. So transcribing audio files into text can be a way to earn extra money. In most cases you will be paid a rate based on the length of the audio file. So but it really works and you can definitely go for it. The next gig I'd say go for online stylist. So what I mean by that, if you love fashion, then you could earn extra money as a stylist. That's right, you can find customers that you want to help developing a clean look, or even with them to establish a something they want. So this is definitely a good gig to make your 1000. And there are a variety of other gigs that you can utilize, like deliver groceries, pet settings, flip items, babysit, yard work, clean houses, bookkeeping work, help people with their shopping. You can just keep going. There are varieties of ways to make your first 1000. You just need to be keep consistent, keep patience, and work hard. This is the way you can just make your $1,000 per month. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon, so whenever I make the new video, you'll get notified.